हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज का टॉपिक है हमारा एमनियोसेंटेसिस। एमनियोसेंटेसिस इज अ टेक्निक टू डिटेक्ट the defects in fetus or embryo. If there is any kind of defect occur in a fetus, then it can be identified by amniocentesis. What are the processes? First, amniotic fluid taken. As we were discussed, there is a fetus having four kind of membrane, that is amnion membrane having amniotic fluid, amnion membrane, amniotic fluid. In amniotic fluid they are of fetal cells. They are of fetal cells here. Then second is fetal cells are taken only 50 ml. We just take 15 ml of amniotic fluid here. In a 15 ml of amniotic fluid, there are lots of fetal cells. The fetal cells cultured in vitro. What is the meaning of in vitro? In vitro actually refer to the lab conditions, means natural habitat in lab. All natural habitat provided by a cell to cultivate in the lab condition. Fourth is karyotyping occur. Now what is the meaning of karyotyping here? It's an important aspect here. Karyotype meaning is that mapping of cell in metaphase. During metaphase, chromosomes are in a straight line or on a metaplate, so that's why mapping on a chromosome on a metaphase. And then a picture taken at a metaphase. Fifth one, match that picture with normal chromosome. If any kind of disorder occur in this picture represented by the picture, then this type of disorder is not to be considered, or maybe embryo removed or treated. This whole process occur by an expert, on a vision of an expert. Reason is that if the needle just stick with the embryo, then cause a kind of disorder in the embryo. So we take only 15 ml amniotic fluid here. Reason is that if we take more than 15 ml of fluid, then it maybe causes a shrinking of amnion or nutritive medium here, or it may become drier to the developing embryo. So that's why only 15 ml of amniotic fluid taken here. Then what was resulted here? The results are, first, to detect chromosomal disorders. Any kind of chromosomal disorder, if there is detected in this picture, then it should be studied. Or if the detection is so high, if we think that such kind of embryo never will survive in a future, then it should be removal of that kind of embryo here. Or sex determination means it is easier to detect sexes, means for a male XY and for female XX, detection of chromosomes, but it should be banned here. The reason for ban such kind of a test here is that due to female ferticide, because persons identify that if the born baby is a girl, then they just remove the embryo and female ferticide here. So it should be banned by the government. In this, we have to study that amniocentesis is the technique to detect the defect in fetal or embryo process. Amniotic fluid taken just to be 15 ml. Fetal cells are taken in an amniotic fluid. Fetal cells are taken, cultured in a vitro condition, karyotyping it, matched with a normal chromosomal condition or a picture, result to detect a chromosomal disorder, any kind of chromosomal disorder, or sex determination here.